Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever spent time perfecting the look of your Google Sheets, adjusting fonts, cell colors, borders, the whole nine yards, you know how much effort it takes to get everything just right. But what if you want to use that exact same format in another sheet, maybe to keep things consistent across different files or to save time with repeated tasks? Well, today I'm going to show you a super simple way to copy the exact formatting from one Google Sheet to another, whether that's into a completely new spreadsheet or an existing one you're already using. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to duplicate your beautiful layouts in just a few clicks, without having to set everything up from scratch. Alright, let's get started. First, take a look at the bottom of your Google Sheets window. You'll see the sheet names listed as little tabs. This is where all your individual sheets for that file are organized. Pinpoint the sheet you want to copy, the one with all your formatting just how you like it. Just like picking the right piece of a puzzle, this step is important, so double check you've got the correct sheet. Now simply right-click on the sheet name. When you do this, a menu will pop up with a list of actions. From this menu, look for the option that says Copy to. This is Google Sheets' way of letting you duplicate an entire sheet, including the format, to another location. Think of it as photocopying all the design work you've done so you can use it somewhere else. When you select Copy to, you'll get a choice between copying your sheet to a new spreadsheet or to an existing spreadsheet. If you want to start fresh, maybe with a blank document that has just your format, pick New Spreadsheet. But for most cases, you'll probably be adding your formatted sheet into an existing file like a master document or a team project in progress. For this demo, let's walk through copying to an existing spreadsheet. Go ahead and choose Existing Spreadsheet. A window will pop up that lets you browse for the file you want to copy to. This is helpful, especially if you're managing a lot of spreadsheets or if this is part of an ongoing workflow. If you've recently worked on the file you need, you'll find it under the Recent tab. It's usually the quickest way to locate your document, but you can also use the search bar if needed. Find the file by name, click on it, and then hit Select. You'll see a little notification pop up in the corner saying your sheet has been copied. This process typically only takes a few seconds, but if you have a lot of data, don't worry if it takes a moment to finish. Now here's a key detail. When you open that existing spreadsheet you just copied into, your copied sheet will appear as a new tab. It usually gets a name like copy of your original sheet name, so you can easily spot it. The best part is all your cell formats like bold headers, specific row heights, colored backgrounds, everything travel along with it. It's like you just cloned your favorite template. And there you have it. With just a few right clicks and selections, you've saved tons of time and kept your formatting consistent across multiple Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't be shy. Drop any questions or comments down below if you need more details or got stuck anywhere along the way. And of course, if you want more straightforward guides like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.